Towards effective land management and sustainable urban planning for a cleaner and healthier Freetown was the theme of the event. The gathering was held at a time when climate change continues to pose serious environmental and health challenges to many Freetonians. Government officials, environmental experts, civil society groups and development partners converge here at FCC building to chart the way forward on addressing climate change and promoting sustainable urban development. They also discussed on improving land management, waste disposal systems, and urban planning strategies to address flooding, pollution, and poor sanitation in the city. According to the Deputy Chief Administrator, FCC Alassane Yela, one of the main challenges the council faces is the massive construction of houses in prohibited areas. He said the Freetown City Council has led several initiatives under the Clean Freetown campaign to improve waste management and environmental sustainability. Director and lead fellow of Media Initiative for Climate Change and the Environment, Martha Kabo, said the institution decided to partner with FCC, Land for Life Organization, and others to sensitize various groups of individuals to manage waste properly.
To discuss about sanitation generally in the western area, both urban and the rural districts. What can be done to ensure that the western area is clean? So we are looking at land governance and policies, country planning, enforcement of laws, and compliances.
Partners including environmental organizations and advocacy groups also highlighted the importance of community involvement in maintaining a clean city. The symposium forms part of ongoing efforts to ensure sustainable urban development and build resilience against climate change in Sierra Leone. For LCBC News, Emmanuel Williams reporting.